In the 1990s, data warehousing and OLAP systems took center stage. They promised to centralize data and provide a single source of truth. But building these warehouses was a monumental task, complex, time-consuming, and expensive. Many organizations poured resources into these systems only to find that they still couldn't easily access the insights they needed. The 2000s ushered in the big data era. Technologies like Hadoop promised to unlock insights from massive datasets, but they also introduced new challenges. The tools were immature and weren't designed for traditional business analytics, leading to further fragmentation and complexity. Silos persisted, and the talent needed to operate these systems was scarce and costly. Today, in the 2020s, we've seen the rise of cloud data warehouses and lakehouses, combining elements of previous technologies. Yet we still find ourselves struggling with the same issues of complexity, time, and cost. The push for centralization is tempting, but it's a flawed approach, and many companies are starting to wake up to this reality. Despite all the advancements, these roadblocks haven't budged. Let's break them down. First, complexity. The technology landscape is constantly evolving, and it's happening at a pace that most organizations can't keep up with. Add to that the shortage of talent. Finding and training people with the hyper skills needed to manage these systems is difficult and expensive. Complexity is a burden that grows with each new innovation. Next time. In today's digital world, speed is everything. But the traditional methods of building data capabilities are too slow. Companies can't afford to spend months or even years developing the infrastructure needed to make decisions. Data needs to be accessible now to everyone who needs it. And finally, cost. The financial strain of maintaining these complex systems is unsustainable. With pressure to comply with ESG requirements and operate within tighter budgets, organizations need to find ways to reduce costs without sacrificing capabilities. What's even more frustrating is how we keep repeating the same mistakes. We're seeing old technologies rebranded as new, with little real innovation. For instance, a leading data platform vendor recently announced primary and foreign key functionalities, a feature we've had since the 1970s. It's not new, and it doesn't solve the underlying issues. At Data Tiles, we've decided it's time for a change. Our solution, Latttice, is designed to tackle these persistent roadblocks by focusing on portability across storage, compute, and access. This ensures you're not locked into a single vendor or platform, giving you the flexibility to adapt to the best technologies available. Latttice simplifies complexity by providing a control plane over all your data, regardless of where it's stored or what technology it's using. And with our no-code, AI-powered platform, even non-technical users can create data products without writing a single line of code. Deployment takes minutes, not months, so you can start using your data right away. When it comes to cost, our price-performant compute approach can reduce your data stack costs by over 80%. And with the ability to treat data as a product, subsequent use cases can be developed 90% faster. Imagine the impact that could have on your business. We're here to revolutionize data access with Latttice. Today, we're drawing a line in the sand. Latttice democratizes data access. We empower you to create data products with unprecedented ease, and now, we challenge other vendors to tackle further complex challenges faced by business in becoming truly data-driven. Zero code needed. If you want to learn more, go to www.datatiles.com/Latttice, or subscribe to our YouTube channel, or join our community. We welcome you to have a conversation with your data.